Okay, it is now the week after Thanksgiving. It is Wednesday because I had a bunch of rain days and a lot of stuff to do. I have spent 5 hours yesterday building a headache rack, tacked it all together on the truck, took it down, welded it up, put a plate in it. That is actually right over here. I bought some stuff called self-etching primer. It's made by Rust-Oleum. It fights rust and it finds cracks and crevices and fills them in. I forgot to put my tabs on top for my light bar that's going backwards for a work light. Got one for Christmas a couple years ago. Didn't have anything to do with it, so what the heck, I'll put it on my welding truck. But today, I got this front box built. I set up where my lead reels are going right here. It's a 3/8 plate, plus it'll be 3/16 on top of that, so there'll be plenty of structure to hold the lead reels in, because with 150 foot of lead and 100 foot extension cord, they get pretty heavy. But this box is not exactly going to be a dry box, because as you can see, using the factory filler neck, cut it down a little shorter, and I'm not 100% done with that, but pretty much I'm just going to set it right here and put a couple little bolts in it. I still have not got my frame for the box here. Still have not done anything for the bottles yet. I still have not welded this box in totally. I did get the back piece. Got a whole nother sheet of 1/8 inch plate. Got a 4x10 sheet this time. And I'll have plenty for my box lids. And I've already got a piece. I had Richmond Steel cut me a piece for that one piece that goes all the way across. I got a cutout for my license plate and my tail lights, a couple marker lights, and then that will box these in and go all the way across the back. I'm going to take some of that 1x2 tubing and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to build a frame that goes all the way across to here, come down, so that'll give some structure to the tail section. And still got to cut my receiver. I got that marked. I don't know if you can see, but I'm going to cut 3 inches out, so because it was pretty low and I never liked how low it was because it's set below the factory receiver. So I'm cutting 3 inches out. I'm going to weld it back together, then I'm going to plate it, bolt it back in, then I'm going to do the tail section. So, but anyway, I will have the headache rack on the truck tomorrow, and I'll give y'all more of an update tomorrow. And I had the plasma cutter over here on the truck bed a little while ago, and I still forgot to cut that hole for the bar for the turnover ball. Anyway, alrighty, I will fill y'all in tomorrow, see what I can get done tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Okay, welcome back. It's Saturday. No, it's Friday. I'm sorry. Feels like a Saturday because my wife's off work and we're getting ready to leave to go do some stuff with the family. Not gonna be working on the bed till Monday, but I wanted to show y'all what I got done yesterday. So here we go. I got the headache rack installed and welded up, and I think it turned out pretty good. It hides behind the cab fairly well, but it protects the cab as well. And as you can see, I got my tabs on there for my light bar that I'm putting on there. Got the holes a little off, so I just reamed them out a little bit. Yesterday, I built this area right here. Looks kind of funky, but this is going to be my acetylene bottle. This is going to be my oxygen bottle down here. I am using pretty much the smallest bottles I can get on lease because, like I said before, I don't do a lot of torching. But I'm dropping my oxygen bottle down 14 inches, and it's going to be sticking up 37, so that's going to put it right about here. So it'll be below the headache rack. And that's what I wanted. I wanted nothing above the cab. My acetylene bottle, I'm dropping that down 8 inches. It's going to be sitting up 31 inches, probably about right here. So I'll be able to have my gauges with my safety cages on them. Started boxing this in. I think I'm going to put expanded metal on the bottom under here, so dirt, debris, rain, whatever falls down through. Like I said previously, on the upper deck, it's just going to have a hole here and here with a clamp to hold them in place. That's about all I got done yesterday, but it took a lot because I was kind of trying to engineer this crazy looking contraption while building it. And I wanted to box all this in, kinda. So, close that up. I am going to add a piece on the front here, on both sides, so to maybe 2 inches, maybe 1.5 inches at the top, 2 inches at the bottom, so it kind of flows with the cab a little bit. Haven't got those pieces made up yet, but that's not going to be too much. I have not put the lead reels back up to see how they're going to work with the headache rack. That will be Monday when I get back to working on this thing. And oh yeah, I got set up a frame back here for kind of support for the rear tail section. So the license plate's going to be here in the middle, and then I'm going to have 2 4-inch round tail lights here, 2 of them here. Although I just realized I could put them vertically here and here on either side. See how that looks. Anyway, that's what I got done so far. I still have to weld up this box. I still got a lot to do, but I'm over the hill, and I'm closer to being finished than I am started. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned.